There are two ways to activate devices on Netflix. First is through email, which you use personally, and the other one is through code if you share it to somebody, a friend or a family. So in today's video, I will show you how to activate using code, since activating via email is a no-brainer. And what are the limitations or compatibility at the moment? We will gonna use Fire Stick for this video, but this method will also work on TV or other streaming boxes. We will talk about phones, tablets, and computers afterward. And speaking of phone, tablet, and computer, we need one of these to activate a TV or a streaming box if you go with the code method. This is the easier as well, rather than typing your email and password with a remote. I will be using my phone for this video, but like I said, a tablet or computer will do the same job as well. Here I already have the Netflix app on my phone, but that's not what we need. We need a browser instead, and I will be using Chrome app. Visit the website netflix.com and sign in. Now that we are in, click on the URL again and type this in. We need to enter a sign-in code. Now where is that code displayed on your TV? Don't close this page and let's go back to our TV now. Open Netflix. Go to sign in. At the bottom, go to sign in from web. And here is the sign-in code we are looking for. Let's go back to your phone now. Then type in the code. And we're now in. One last step is to choose your profile or add another one. So that's basically it for TV and streaming devices. Now, how to do it on your phone, tablet, and computer using sign-in code? Well, remember the limitation and compatibility I mentioned earlier? By the time I made this video, there's no option to activate mobile devices and computer using sign-in code yet. You still have to activate through email, which is not really that convenient if you want to share it to a friend. You can't activate it remotely either, just like what we just did on streaming devices. I guess the main idea of sign-in codes for streaming boxes is to keep users away from using remote to type in long emails and password, which meant for computer and mobile. So that's our video for today. I hope you find this helpful. If so, how about you hit the like button for me, subscribe to the channel for more like this in the future. That's all that we have for today. I do want to thank you for watching. Have a great day.